In today's video, I'll teach you how to check order history on Glovo app. First of all, launch open Glovo application. You can see over here Glovo application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to check your order history, it is actually very simple. At bottom, you'll be able to find three options over here: home, orders and profile. Simply tap on the option profile. Now you'll be led to the profile interface. Due to privacy and security reason, this interface will not be recorded. But in this interface, you'll be able to find various options. Under the section for profile, at first you'll be able to find the option for order history. Tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the orders interface. You'll be able to see all your past and ongoing orders over here. Basically, you'll be able to see all your previous orders. So like this, you'll be able to see the order history. So that is how you check order history on Glovo app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.